Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage sound balance for your headphones JBL Tune 520. You have to start by opening the application and now scroll down just a bit. Right here we have sound balance. Firstly we should enable it, and now to increase the volume for the left channel and lower it for the right channel, you need to slide this point to the left. So just make something like this and then test it, maybe you will like it. You can also increase the volume for the right channel and lower it for the left one, and you need to move this slider to the right. It's the same. Now test it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!